Hello and welcome. Today I was doing something with some metallic colours, which I haven't done for a little while, with these like really lovely earthy colours, and it was on a wooden board. So definitely when finished you can resin it or use it as a clock, even if you like, put a fitment in it. There's so many options to you, but this is what I was doing. I was doing a loaded cup pour, pouring my colours in, alternate, just as you see, and I'm literally going to ribbon them over that MDF board. So let's see the lovely effects that we get here.
I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
So yes, super gorgeous as it is, but of course I wanted to take that step further, and always love going that step further. I was putting a little bit, that one contained white paint mixed with just Australian Floetrol to give me those amazing cells, which I'll come down closer and show you. So I continue on to do this in certain spots that I just believe need it, and I absolutely love the outcome. If you haven't tried it, please do.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time.
Wow, 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 look at that. Oh, that is stunning. Absolutely super reaction with the paint. So that was just the white mixed with Australian Floetrol that created that lace effect all through there. Oh, look at that. My goodness. Super easy, super effective technique. Wasn't content with just leaving it there, so I'm an experimentalist, so I want to push the boundaries even further. So I am actually dry chain pulling, so it's basically leaving my chain dry, not dipping it in any other paint, wiping it off after each chain pull, and doing these pulls through it. And you may not think it's something that you want to do or think that it made this canvas any better, but I certainly have to continue experimenting on my art journey and pushing the boundaries, and sometimes things work and sometimes they don't, but I was really happy just creating this. As I find many times, it's the art, this process in the fluid art is very therapeutic, and I just absolutely love it. And certainly miss it if I am away for more than a few days not doing this. So yeah, I just pushed on, dry chain pulling it, so you can let me know what you think, but I loved it.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen.
Had to push it, didn't I? And I mean, that's just a creative process to continue on. Sometimes it doesn't work out and sometimes it does, and I absolutely love kind of the complexity in it. It is quite stunning in its own right, and it's on the MDF wood board, so that'll be absolutely fantastic to resin and really bring that out. I just love it. It's glistening because there's a lot of metallic in there. It's crazy unusual. Had a few techniques, but absolutely love it, love it, love it.